All right, it's time now for our DIY security tip of the week. And every week we put one of these together for you. This week it's all about VPNs, virtual private networks, how you can use the internet safely and securely and not worry about hackers stealing your credentials. I mean, I've been talking about VPNs for many years. And so in this DIY security tip, we're going to talk about ExpressVPN, but also your other free options that come with your operating systems. But first, let's talk about VPNs and how they actually work. It's a layer of protection between your devices and the internet. It hides your IP address and your location. It encrypts your data after it leaves your device and travels to whatever website you're visiting. Most importantly, when you're at home or at work and you're using public Wi Fi, you need a VPN because it gives you that extra layer of security. So, what do you look for in a VPN? Here are some of the traits. You want to browse anonymously. You want to unblock websites, especially when you're traveling. This is really important. You want to hide your IP address. You also want a VPN that doesn't have data caps, unlimited streaming. You want to be able to use this VPN across multiple devices, regardless of your operating system. It should have no data harvesting, a 24-hour chat helpline. It should be really fast. A lot of the older VPNs, I know what you're thinking. They were so slow. Not anymore. It has to be super easy to set up, super easy to use. So when you have all of these different features that you want in a VPN, Windows and Mac, they do have some built-in VPNs. Okay, they're okay, but they're not as good as ExpressVPN. I mean, I've tried them all. But in this DIY security tip, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a VPN on your Windows machine, how to set it up on your Mac machine. And if you're interested, you can watch a little video about ExpressVPN, and then we also teach you how to set that one up. And for all the links that you need, look no further than the official homepage of the Kim Komando Show. That's, of course, Komando.com. When you're there, hit that Show Picks button right on the homepage. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.